Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Veronica, and in case this is your first time seeing my face on YouTube, please make sure to go down there and hit the subscribe button. While you're at it, feel free to give this video a huge thumbs up and turn on my post notifications so you're notified each and every time that I post a new video. I'm so excited to announce that once again, I am partnering with FabFitFun on another unboxing video. I unboxed their summer box last season, and it was my first time ever working with them. I have seen some major sneak peeks for this on Instagram, so I have my hopes up very high, but I have not looked inside my box yet. It literally came in the mail today, so I don't know. We'll see what I got, but I'm super excited about it. For those of you who may not know already, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service. Each box retails for $49.99, but has a value of over $200, and you can use my code VeronicaP10 for $10 off your first FabFitFun box. Anyways, I am just way too excited, so let's just jump into what is in my box because I've been waiting for this moment all day. I do have to say though that the design of the box is so cute. It's so fall. Each season the FabFitFun box supports a new charity, and this season they are supporting the Right Action for Women. I'm pretty sure that it is a cancer foundation. I'm gonna take my first peek with you guys. Oh, I'm already so excited and I can't even see past the tissue paper. Okay, so right on top they give you like, excuse me, sir. So right on top they give you a few coupons that I will be looking at later, and then they give you this magazine that kind of just gives you a little bit more information about what is in your box, but I'm not going to look at that page just yet because I want it to be a surprise. And then the rest of the magazine just kind of focuses on the charity that they're working with and different ways that you can use the products from your box. But anyways, I am ready to dig right in because I'm so excited about this. Oh, it already looks so good. Okay. So right on top, it looks like I got some Glam Glow bubble sheet masks. I think that means that like it's a sheet mask that does like the cool bubble texture, in which case I'm super excited about it. It is an oxygenating deep cleanse mask with green tea leaf, so I'm definitely super excited about this and would not be surprised if I tried it out tonight. Next up, it looks like I got a Skin & Co. shower gel. It is the scent Blue in Capri, and it has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. So I kind of want to do a smell test. This smells so good. I was about to go shopping for some last-minute toiletries to bring to college with me, but this is definitely just gonna replace whatever body wash I was about to buy. Okay, we just had to take a little bit of a break because my camera battery died, and so it is a little while later, and I am back, and my excitement has toned down. I was probably overdoing it before, but this box is just like way too good, so I hope you guys understand. So these next two things are products that I saw sneak peeks of on Instagram, and I just cannot hold off any longer. I have to show you guys. The fall box includes beauty blenders. What? This one's a really pretty like light pink color, but I was just shocked when I found out that I was getting a beauty blender, because I've always wanted one and I've always used knockoff ones, so I'm super excited about this guy. And then I was also excited because Alfred was putting teapots and French presses for tea and coffee in the boxes, and I was crossing and crossing my fingers that I would get a teapot, and what do you know, I got it, and I'm so excited about it. Here, I want to show you guys. It's so cute. So when I saw this teapot on Instagram, I like died inside and immediately began crossing my fingers that I would get it because it is so dang cute. Would you take a look at this? Oh my goodness, like, I love this so much. I might even bring it to college with me. So the next thing that's kind of standing out to me in my box is this super cute umbrella, and it is by Catherine Malandrino, and it's just this like really cute light floral pink color, and so this is definitely gonna be way more exciting than my plain black umbrella that I currently use at school. They also threw a Luna bar in this time. It is a cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar, and the flavor is salted caramel nut. So I'm super excited to try this. I've never had a Luna bar before, but it says here that they're gluten-free, non-GMO, and organic, so you know this has probably got to be really healthy for you. Next up, I got this Hydra Repair Day Cream. It is by Grown Alchemist, and it is free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens, and it does not contain a whole bunch of other chemicals that is listed on the box. It just comes in a really simple tube, and it is geranium blossom scented. I'm definitely going to be needing a lot of moisturizer this fall and winter because my skin gets so dry. I've also probably said that I'm super excited about every single product that I've shown you guys, but this box is seriously a winner in my book. So if you're interested in getting all of what I just showed you and more, because I'm not done yet, make sure to use Veronica P10 on your first FabFitFun box order. Anyways, moving on. It looks like I got some tea towels, and this one is just this really pretty and simple white and gray stripe pattern. And I will probably be gifting this pair to my mom because she can use it in her kitchen, since I currently will not have a kitchen in my dorm room. Next up, I got this giant detox bath soak. I'm finally gonna have a private bathroom. There's no more communal bathroom for me, so I'll probably be bringing this with me to school, just to kind of like calm down after a long and stressful day of studying. And last but not least, I got this Crown Pro 6-piece brush set, and this was one of the other things that they were advertising on Instagram a ton, and they look so nice. Oh my gosh, and are they soft too? Because that is a game changer. Guys, I may just be in love. This is just your basic 6-piece brush set for face and eyes, and it is by Crown. But if you guys are interested in getting this or any of the other items from this FabFitFun box, once again, you can use my code VeronicaP10 and check out the FabFitFun website for more information. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. It was a little bit different than my last FabFitFun unboxing, but I hope you guys enjoyed anyways, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos from yours truly. And of course, thank you to FabFitFun for allowing me to partner with you for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!